here.
Yep.
The door will open automatically.
Sure. Thank you.
So just one more double printer.
Yep.
Your key must be leaving here for the electricity inside of the room.
Got it.
And also the water that you find on your desk is complimentary and it will be renewed every day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yep.
And I will be right back with your luggage.
Perfect. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So we're in the beautiful Prosecco area in Italy and we're in Villa Soligo. So we have booked a suite and this is our suite 301 and we got a little garden with the chair and the bench. It's different from the main building, it's kind of separate, so we have our own space, so to speak. So this is our suite 301. Okay, so I'm just getting in because I need to insert the key for electricity, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. Okay, turning on everything. So giving you a quick room tour. It's very interesting on this suite because when I walk in, this is the closet, which I'm going to show you what's inside. So on my left, sorry, this is my left, is the living room area, which is very simple, elegant. You know, for some people, you can say it's pretty bland, but you know, it's quite nice in a way for us. It's spacious. And then on the right-hand side is the bedroom. So we're going to be here for 2 nights, so we'll be very comfortable. So with the 4-poster bed and olive color as the tone. So they got a television here in the bedroom. As I say, very simple and elegant. But some of you may prefer some more design elements to this hotel because it's a small luxury hotel. And then when you come in the middle is actually the bathroom area. So that is the toilet area. And then this is the shower area. I'm trying to find the light. So sorry, I have to find the light to show you because when I walk out and put in my key, everything turned back off. So basically, where's my light? But you can see that's the rain shower, the towels, and that's the amenity. And that's the amenity as well. And this is the toilet area. And this is the bathroom with the slippers. Whether you believe or not, I still cannot find the light. It's probably here. Yep. So now I turn on the light. You can have a better view of the shower room with the rain shower, the towels, and the amenities. So very good size here. This is the middle part of the toilet area, and then the toilet is actually over here, and I put in the bathrobes and slippers here. Okay, so back on here, so crossing over is the living room area with the work desk. It's quite interesting. I do not know what this whiteboard is, because initially I think it's a television projector, but it's not. Anyway, very spacious. The sofa area. And this is the television with the internet Wi-Fi and all the activities and everything of this hotel. So they have the biking. We're trying to do the horseback riding tomorrow. But one thing is we're not being informed is the restaurant is closed on Monday. It comes with a little surprise for us that a hotel restaurant is closed. And as we are not having a car to come here, we have our private driver, but he went home. So the reception is going to book us a nice restaurant with transfer. But that surprised me a little bit because the restaurant is closed on Monday. So something that maybe you need to make a note if you are planning to come and stay here as well. Okay, so they have very nice public area. They say the swimming pool, as well as the gardens. We're going to have breakfast tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. We're staying here for 2 nights and we'll show you everything. But we will be unable to show you the restaurant because that's what we are planning to do tonight and they're closed. And we are going to a Michelin restaurant tomorrow, so we're not going to have any dinner here, but we'll show you the breakfast. So show you the closet. Okay, so with the hair dryer, laundry bed, and good numbers of hangers. And here on this side is actually a water kettle, and then some tea. And then there's the safe deposit box, but there's no minibar, to my surprise. But anyway, I'm giving you a very honest review as I always do because we stay there, we stay here, we pay everything on our own. So this is what you can expect, what you can get when you book a room and stay here as well. And this is one of the higher category already. 301, which is one of their largest suite already. So we'll keep you posted. Follow us with the breakfast and all the activities around and for the full experience at Hotel Villa Soligo in the Prosecco area in Italy.